Hello, my jingles. I'm gonna cut my bangs. Whenever I get bored of my hair, I enjoy just cutting off my bangs. Makes me feel like a new person, you know? Okay, I think I cut a little bit too much over here. Okay, I am kind of regretting it. No! I wanted to grow out these pieces, but I just chopped it off. I also want to like thin these pieces out because it's so heavy. Okay, you know what? I think this was very much needed. Okay, whatever. I think I'm done. Guess what I have? Tacos! You guys, I haven't been really home and I actually came back home yesterday. So it's really nice to do my usual routine again. And that includes microwaving my tacos that have been in the freezer. I'm going to Hawaii in a few weeks, so I told myself I'm going to watch what I'm going to eat. But I saw these in the freezer and I couldn't help it. Hello everybody, it is currently 4:20.
Smoke weed every day.
Today is actually my friend Caitlin's birthday, so my friends and I are gonna be going to her house. We're gonna bake some cake and have some birthday dinner for her. And I actually wanna get her some flowers, so I'm gonna stop by the market and then go to her house. Today's outfit. Happy birthday!
I live with Lauren.
Hi, YooJin. What's up? Can you play
How do you do this?
piano in the back?
Okay, okay. Where are you? Oh, sorry. I don't know how to
So good!
Bonk.
Everybody should just pour it in. A little bit more. You just pop it in. Yeah. That was different. Oh, let me see this one. Wait for what? Michelle! This reminds me. Wash my hands. This is what happened.
Like, work, look close.
That's pretty good.
It's like,
Really?
you have to, like, it's nice to work in and get
Very good. Very good. YooJin mama. YooJin mama. Look at the texture.
Whoa, that's actually
So good.
I know, I looked over and I was like, oh, when did it turn into frosting?
Trusting
So
the process.
Yes.
you bring up, like, some meetings guys have been staying, it's like a meeting, like a whole thing, like,
When I come back,
Oh my gosh!
team where the numbers are with my answer.
No, but then there's a rainbow on her face.
Yeah. So like maybe like right.
2, 1.
What? How's that result? King T'Challa's dad? King T'Challa's dad.
Girl, do you remember?
No.
No, I chose the wrong. Okay, then I can think of a new one. Woody from Toy Story. Woody. Woody's pretty ambiguous too. He's not like good or bad.
Yeah, that's why. But he's technically more
More
good.
good. Yeah, more good.
Ready, reveal.
Oh my redo it?
Let's go get a ball, Jason. You boo boo.
3,
NorCal
2,
versus
1,
SoCal.
go!
Go!
It's a tie! It's a tie! What are you doing? Tie, dude! Elbow! Hey, it's almost elbow. It's a tie! It's a tie! It's a tie!
Dude, stop!
Ow!
Wow.
I like it.
Yeah, my hair isn't as
It
long.
looks a little bit like
No.
Elevated bed head.
It is elevated
Like
bed.
kind of Winston-y.
How do you like this, man?
Wait, it looks kind of good. Except it's like this, and then it falls.
I'll wash my hair.
Frosting. Everybody,
Wait,
I made this cake.
I'd like to propose a toast to Justin and his hairdressing skills. Cheers.
For Caitlin being 24. Caitlin being 24. Congrats.
Caitlin is 24.
Yeah!
Congratulations for Ben going to med school.
Yeah! They can never drink.
What is it?
Wow.